Man, I'm so hungry. There's never anything to eat in here. What was that? Ah! Let's make some popcorn! Today I'm cooking with Trevor. As you can see, we're gonna make popcorn, but I hurt my shoulder really bad. We were playing football, right? And I jacked someone up so hard, I sent him into orbit. He's still up there. In every popcorn bag, there's a plastic seal. First, we're gonna tear it open. Dang flies! Oh. The best way to make popcorn is in the microwave. Now, stick it in. Hey, press the buttons. I don't know. Hello, operator. You have chosen defrost. I don't want defrost. Time for Plan B. The microwave doesn't have a dial tone. Contact your local repairman. Now for Plan B. The oven. Oh my gosh! You serious? Never mind, you can't use oxygen on an electric oven. Sorry guys. Looks like I have to move on to bigger and better things. You know what I'm saying? Come on, follow me. If everything fails in your kitchen trying to make a single bag of frickin' popcorn, you move on to Plan B. Number 2. Find yourself a nice looking grill. Of course, you gotta open it, throw your popcorn in, close the lid. Next, you ignite it. Yep, I do it. We're out of gas. Now, it's going down. Fire! Whoa! Ooh. Crispy. Fire! Trevor, what are you doing in my house? I made you some popcorn. Oh, for me? No! And this has been Cooking with Trevor Popcorn Edition. See you next time. Thanks for watching the Cooking with Trevor Popcorn Edition. Also, I highly recommend the original 2 Cooking with Trevors. If you'd like to see where it all began, click on one of these 2 videos right here. If you'd like to, leave me a comment and let me know which Cooking with Trevor you like the best. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this bag of popcorn. I'll see you guys tomorrow.